Once there lived a crow on a tree. She had built the nest on the tree. Unfortunately, a snake was living at the bottom of the same tree. Whenever the crow laid her eggs, the snake used to crawl up the tree and eat her eggs on the nest. The crow became very sad on this evil act. It wanted to teach the lesson snake. It thought of a plan. The crow went to the palace and it stole the necklace of the queen while she was bathing. The guards of the palace saw this and ran after the crow. The went crow to the tree where she lived and dropped the necklace in the burrow of the snake at the bottom of the tree. The guards who followed the crow wanted to take the necklace out of the burrow. Hence, they killed the snake and took the necklace safely out of the burrow. The crow was very happy that its plan had worked and its eggs are safe now.